Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the WE Knives Vapor. It's a flipper with a frame lock, and it's a nice one. Small, compact design, but very functional. So, overall length is 6.875 inches, blade length just under 3 inches of S35VN steel. You've got a lock bar insert right there on the frame lock right there. And the handle length is 3.85 inches of titanium with these nice carbon fiber inlays. And they come in several different colors. This is the blue with the black coated blade. Very sleek, very nice looking. And there are other colors as well, so check those out on the website. The overall weight is 2.68 ounces, and here is your clothespin, your tactical clothespin, mind you, for size comparison. And you've got a pocket clip right there for tip up right or left-handed carry. You can see the screw holes right there. So guys, go ahead and check this out and buy it at bladehq.com. This is the WE Knives Vapor.